Good day to Dr. Siti Noor Ashikin. We are from BNP 22502, Section 5, Group 5. Today we are going to present the project that we already done. The title is Sales of Umbrellas During Rainfall.
Here is our group member Chelsea Ines Arankong, me Melody Ong Hui Chi, Lo Yiyun, Lee Ishan, and Kwa Ishan.
A very good day, SP to Dr. Ashikin. My name is Lei Shan. Now I will presenting the poster for our group project with the title of South of Umbrella During Rainfall. The case study for our group project is to determine the average monthly rainfall for the last 60 months and number of umbrellas sold. The average monthly rainfall for the last 60 months is an independent variable, while the number of umbrellas sold is a dependent variable. Over the past few months, there has been an alarming increase in the rate of rainfall in Malaysia, as Malaysia remains high year-round, with mean annual precipitation of 3,085.5 mm. Due to this case, we will identify the cause of rainfall and compare the south of umbrella ascertain whether the cause of rainfall are related with south of umbrella and establish the south of umbrella over the 60 months.
Good day to Dr. Siti Noor Ashikin. I'm Lo Yiyun. Now I'm going to start with Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, we are going to calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation for the data. So first, we collect the data for the rainfall and umbrella sold. Rainfall represent X, umbrella sold represent Y from year 2016 to 2020. And the total rainfall is 14,483 millimeter, and the total umbrella sold is 1,715. So we calculate the probability for both X and Y. Then we do the cumulative distribution function. And after that, we are able to calculate mean, variance, and standard deviation by referring to the cumulative distribution function. And all of this formula we already learned in Chapter 1. This is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Guizon, and now I will be presenting Chapter 2, Special Probability Distribution. So we are given the sales of umbrella for a total of 5 years. Based on the experience for the factory, the probability for the umbrella to be 40 is 2 out of 1000. So the P will be 0.002, right? Within the 5 years period, we would like to determine the probability of 0, 40 umbrella, 140 umbrella, 240 umbrella, and at least 340 umbrella. Okay, like I just said, the P is 0.002 because 2 out of 1000. And our N is actually 1715. And so by having those two N and P, we can find our lambda, uh, which is 3.43. Okay, so for the uh, first findings, 0, 40 umbrella, our probability is actually 0.0324. For the second one, it will be 0.1111. Second last will be 0.1905, and last one for at least 340 umbrella is 0.666.
Now I will continue the presentation for Chapter 3, which is sampling distribution. When carry out a statistically analysis on a population, a researcher will randomly choose a sample from the population. During the investigation, data might be used to draw conclusions about demographic future. As can be seen, the sampling distribution will represent the probability distribution of statistics obtained from a large number of samples drawn from a certain population. For our case study, a random sample of 60 man is chosen by an owner of a mini shop, and he claimed that the purchase of umbrella by passerby in a city is normal distribution with a mean of 28.58 and a standard deviation of 9.16, and we will calculate the probability that the average purchase of umbrella by the passerby is between 26 and 30. By the calculation, we can know that the probability that the average purchase of umbrella by the passerby between 26 and 30 is 0.87027.
Hi, it's me, Kuizwan again, and now I'll be presenting another topic, which is Chapter 4 Estimation. And the question here is the owner of a mini store wanted to know the umbrella sales by using the 5 years data for the umbrella company, which is from a random sample of 60 months, which is 5 years. It has a mean of 28.58 and a standard deviation of 9.16. The first test is to find the 98% confidence interval for the mean umbrella sales. And from our tests, our findings, we can conclude that we are 98% confident that the mean of umbrella sales is between 25.829 and 31.331. And secondly, we also want to find the 98% confidence interval for the variance of the umbrella sales. We can also conclude that uh, it is between 56.793 and also 134.896.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Melody, and now I will be presenting about Chapter 5, Hypothesis Testing. The Malaysia Meteorological Department assumes that rainfall in a city is normally distributed with mean 236.167 and a standard deviation of 47.754. The owner of a mini store in the city wishes to use the special introductory offer, such as a free gift for every referrer, to increase their sales of umbrella during the rainy season. For a random sample of 16 months, the mean rainfall is found to be 250. Carry out a test at 5% level of significance to test whether the average monthly rainfall has increased so as the sales of umbrella. The null hypothesis is mu equal to 250, while the alternative hypothesis is mu larger than 250. In the conclusion, we get the value of z equals to 2.244 is bigger than the critical value of 1.6449, and it falls in the critical region, so we reject the hash knot and conclude that the average monthly rainfall will increase. Hence, the sales of umbrella will increase during the rainy season. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Chelsea from Group 6, Section 5, Statistics for Engineering Technology. I'm going to present for Chapter 6, Simple Linear Regression. This is our scatter graph. The least square equation is y cap equals to negative 4.969 plus 0.139x. When the rainfall amount increases by 1 millimeter, the umbrella sold will also increase by 0.139%. The value of R is equal to 0.6628 is fairly close to 1.00, so we can conclude that there is a strong positive relationship between the amount of rain and the umbrella sold. In conclusion, the objectives of this case study are achieved, which is the study of how the amount of rainfall affects the umbrella sold, to identify the causes of rainfall and compare the sale of umbrellas, ascertain whether the causes of rainfall are related with sale of umbrellas, and establish the sales of umbrellas over the 12 months. Other than that, through utilizing the knowledge of the statistical theory that learned during lecture throughout the study of the course PNP 22502 Statistics for Engineering Technology, we have applied the theoretical knowledge of discrete or continuous random variable in the lesson of case study in regards with the study of amount of rainfall affects the number of umbrellas sold.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.